Borsa İstanbul Group invites international investors to invest in Turkish capital markets. Turkey, one of the sizable and fastest-growing economies around the globe, with a well-educated labor force, young and dynamic population, and strong market foundations. Easy access to the markets of Europe, North Africa, Central Asia, and Gulf region. Sizable local and regional markets. Ability to reach more than 1 billion consumers in the region. Only 4 hours of flight distance to more than half of the world. A strategic regional hub for multinational companies at crossroads of trade. With Istanbul Finance Center preparing to be the center of finance and trade in the region, and Borsa İstanbul, the center of trade in Istanbul. A modern and trustworthy marketplace with 150 years of experience and know-how as an exchange operating a cutting-edge technological infrastructure. One of the most liquid exchanges in the world with a wide spectrum of product range, fully integrated trading platform, and high order processing capacity. A capital market focused on protecting investors with strong and qualified institutions serving at international standards and regulatory framework in line with international practices. Board member of the World Federation of Exchanges, coordinator of the Organization of Islamic Cooperation Exchanges Forum, third-party trading platform accredited by the European Securities and Markets Authority, clearing transactions in compliance with International Organization of Securities Commission's principles and European Union regulations, precious metals transactions in compliance with the OECD due diligence guidance for responsible supply chains of minerals. A reliable and fair marketplace providing a variety of opportunities for international investors with investment alternatives in 4 main markets. With an economy confident in its bright future, an equity market in which nearly 450 companies, numerous funds, and structured products are traded, offering attractive opportunities for international investors as one of the world's most liquid markets with low trading fees, high trading speed, and wide product alternatives. Equity market. Symbol of international trust and preference with significant international investment in free float market cap. A wide product range offering various alternatives to investors, including funds based on participation index, sustainability index, and other thematic indices, certificates based on shares and real estate, stock warrants enabling maturity diversification. An attractive hub that facilitates long-term funding for companies with increasing public offerings. The debt securities market, which ranks 10th in the world in terms of the value of bonds listed and provides financing to the public and the private sector with the bonds and sukuk issued by Treasury of the Republic of Turkey and companies. Swap market, where currencies can be exchanged with each other or with precious metals. The derivatives market, which has the highest number of single stock futures and precious metal futures traded in the world, facilitating both risk management and trading opportunities for investors. The opportunity to create flexible contracts by choosing maturity date for futures and options and choosing strike price for options. Precious metals and diamond markets, one of the top spot markets of the world for precious metal investors. A safe and secure gold depository for domestic and international investors with high capacity. A reliable transfer hub for international precious metal investors and central banks with its new warehouse BIST Entrepot. An end-to-end continuous trading platform with post-trade institutions Turkish Istanbul and Central Securities Depository. Highly secure technological infrastructure, co-location, and data services with very high speed and order processing capacity. Offering technological solutions to capital markets with BISTEC R&D Center. A modern financial hub integrated to the world. There are no legal restrictions for international investors trading in the Turkish capital markets. Individual and institutional foreign investors may freely trade all kinds of securities and other capital market instruments. Safe and secure investment experience. All international investors would need to open an account and use an investment firm authorized by Capital Markets Board of Turkey, the regulatory authority of the Turkish capital markets. Electronic General Meeting System enables shareholders to exercise their rights in General Assembly meetings remotely. The opportunity to invest in diversified funds managed by professional fund managers with Turkey Electronic Fund Trading Platform (TEFAS). The ability to access real-time, accurate, and reliable information on companies and funds through a public disclosure platform. Regulatory framework that protects investor rights and promotes corporate governance and sustainability. Effective management of counterparty risk with Takas Bank. Effective management of manipulation and excessive volatility through Borsa İstanbul's audit, surveillance, and other market operation mechanisms. Investor Compensation Center intervenes when investment firms fail to fulfill their obligations. For most of the products traded at Borsa İstanbul, zero withholding tax is applied and no further declaration is required for international investors. The global marketplace of Turkey, fostering growth and development, facing a confident future with a vision to provide reliable, transparent, effective, fair, innovative, competitive, and sustainable markets for all investors. Borsa İstanbul, benchmark for investment.